Hello everyone, this is Sovik and welcome to Speak and Flourish YouTube channel. In my previous video, I have already talked about 3 P's of presentation. Now what are the 3 P's? 3 P's indicate to planning, preparation and practice. In this video, I am going to show you what you have to do to make your presentation successful and effective one. Now you have to understand one important point, that content plays only 7% of the success. Now the rest of the success goes to your vocal delivery, your body language, and how you are using your voice modulation to express your points. Now it's all about 93%. Now if you just copy whatever you have written on the slide to the audience, then your presentation is going to be very boring and it's not going to be an effective one. So my suggestion to all of you, that to understand this, don't read the sentences you have written on the slide. You have to create new sentences. Now for that, your practice should be there. You have to practice in a way that you should understand, okay, this slide contains 3 important points. And now I'm going to create more sentences based on those points. There is no rocket science behind this. It's very simple, but for this you have to understand this and also you have to practice that. Now here I will be giving one slide to all of you. The topic is women's empowerment. Try to understand how I am creating the sentences based on the points which are written on the slide and how I am communicating. Use your body language, maintain eye contact, and just express yourself, because your audience is there. The audience always wants to be benefited from your presentation. What is women's empowerment? Before we go into the details of the presentation, let me tell you that a woman's empowerment is a fundamental human right. Like men in the society, a woman must have freedom of time, freedom of money, freedom of everything. This is all about a woman's sense of self-worth. The way a woman thinks about herself. It's all about that. And there are few rights which are the fundamental rights for a woman to have, and they are choices. A woman must have her own choices. She must have the access to opportunities and resources which are also available to men in the society. This will give them power to control their own lives, and also this will enable them to influence the entire direction of the social change. And then what is the importance of this social change we are talking about here? This social change will give each and every one in the society the benefits of freedom, benefits of success. This is a patriarchal society. If a woman is not given a proper freedom the way men enjoy in the society, then who can tell? There are many men as well who are going to be suppressed. Let's start to create a better society where men and women, everyone, including each and everyone in the society, will be given the right to have these choices, the freedom of life, freedom of time, freedom of money. That's it. Thank you very much. So that's it. I hope you have understood how you can create your presentation, how you can practice at home to describe the points you have written on the slide. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe for more updates. This YouTube channel is all about communicative English, spoken English and soft skills, and I believe that you will be benefited if you follow all the videos and if you apply whatever you are learning from the videos. I will see you in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.